It's incredibly easy to think of our brain and our digestive system as two completely separate things, like they aren't even in the same neighborhood. But the research we're diving into for today's explainer proves they are actually intimately connected. And the fuel that bridges that gap? Well, it's something you probably have sitting in your kitchen right now. Today, we're unpacking the sheer power of fiber. We're going to look at how it feeds the microscopic friends living in our gut microbiome and how that exact process directly leads to a happier, much healthier brain.
Right, let's jump straight into section 1, the sluggish stomach.
So, why do we sometimes feel just so incredibly sluggish and tired? We've all been there, right? You wake up, or maybe you hit that brutal mid-afternoon slump, and your energy is just completely zeroed out. But according to our source material, this total lack of energy isn't just about how much sleep you got last night. It is deeply, deeply connected to our digestive health. When our digestion isn't operating smoothly, the whole body feels the hit. Honestly, that heavy, dragging feeling, it's often just our bodies sending a massive distress signal straight from our GI tract. To bring this biology down to earth for a second, our sources share a really relatable real-life story. Just imagine a kid who constantly feels sluggish and is always complaining about tummy aches. It's a tough situation, right? It really drags down their whole day. But then they make a shift. This child starts eating way more colorful fruits and vegetables. And the transformation is literally night and day. Suddenly, they've got this brand new well of energy, and those nagging stomach pains basically disappear. Why? Because the good bacteria in their gut are finally getting the fuel they need to actually thrive.
Which brings us right to section 2. What exactly is fiber?
So the secret ingredient in that turnaround is dietary fiber. It's a unique plant component found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. But honestly, here is the absolute wildest part about that definition. It's something our human body literally cannot fully digest on its own. Think about that for a second. We are eating a superfood precisely because our own digestive system can't process it. It kind of seems totally counterintuitive, right? But as we'll see, it's actually the key to optimal health. It creates this stark contrast in our daily lives based on what we eat. On one side, if you're on a low-fiber diet, it's a straight shot to that sluggishness and digestive discomfort we were just talking about. But you flip the script to a high-fiber diet, you get sustained energy and digestive regularity. That before and after state is really the entire emotional core of this explainer. Eating fiber is the ultimate preventative measure to keep us from feeling dragged down, ensuring everything just keeps moving smoothly. Moving right along to section 3, feeding your gut friends. So because our bodies can't break this dietary fiber down, it basically travels through our digestive system completely intact until it reaches our gut bacteria. And for them, oh man, fiber is the ultimate feast. It is quite literally a superfood for your gut microbiome. By eating these plant components, we're essentially laying out this massive, all-you-can-eat buffet to sustain those highly beneficial bacteria. We aren't just feeding ourselves here, we're feeding the microscopic helpers that keep our whole system running. Our sources put it so perfectly. Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria, and they help your brain feel great. I mean, that's it right there. This is the beautiful, symbiotic relationship happening inside you right at this very moment. When you eat whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, you're making your microbiome incredibly happy. And when your gut bugs are happy, they send out positive signals that literally enhance your cognitive well-being. It's a total win-win.
Let's unpack exactly how that works in section 4, the gut-brain connection.
It all builds into this super clear biological chain reaction in 3 easy steps. Step 1, you eat fiber-rich plant foods. Step 2, those good bacteria we just talked about have an absolute feast on the fiber since, you couldn't digest it yourself. And step 3, those well-fed, super happy gut bugs get right to work supporting your optimal brain function. It is a direct, straight line from digestive regularity to cognitive well-being. The food you put into your GI tract absolutely 100% dictates how healthy and focused your brain feels. So what should we be eating? Let's cover that in section 5, fiber-rich superfoods. Our sources highlight several everyday heroes you can easily just toss into your meals. We've got broccoli, oats, whole grains, and beans, all of which are fantastic for preventing that awful sluggishness. And of course, apples. But hey, there is a really important caveat here with the apples. You absolutely have to eat the skin. Seriously, don't peel them. The skin on an apple is literally packed with the unique dietary fiber your gut bacteria are begging for. And the benefits don't stop there. Beyond just feeding our microscopic buddies, eating balanced meals that are really high in fiber also helps you feel much fuller for a lot longer. Because fiber isn't easily digested, it really sticks with you, promoting that sustained all-day energy we're all constantly chasing. A balanced diet rich in these specific foods truly supports the whole shebang, a healthy digestive system and a highly functioning, super sharp brain. So the big question to carry with you into the rest of your day is simply this. What high-fiber superfood are you going to feed your gut today? Will it be some oats for breakfast? Maybe an apple, with the skin on, of course, for a midday snack? Or hey, maybe some beans with dinner? Just remember, you are never just eating for one. You're feeding an entire bustling community of gut friends who are just waiting to reward you with sustained energy and a really happy brain. Choose wisely and enjoy the benefits.